This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Judy Yelverton. Astonishing transformation. This old lady has had a beautiful makeover and she is ready to entertain a new family in safety and comfort. New wiring, new plumbing, new vinyl planking, new lights, new hardware, new carpet, fresh paint, and more. Also included is a new appliance package. 2 water heaters service both ends of the house comfortably. The HVAC system is an American standard heat pump, with 8 years left on the warranty. The structure has been checked and stabilized and the house treated for termites. What more could you wish for? An RV cover? That's in place for you as well. An extra garage/workshop is steps from the patio, a place for hobbies, a man cave, or a comfortable dog house. Wink wink. Get in line quick to check it out. For more information.